Cox Mobile is a wireless service from Cox that uses a combination of cellular coverage and Wi-Fi to provide mobile phone service. It can look like an attractive alternative to the major carriers, especially for existing Cox customers. But the real question is it actually better than the big telcos? Now, to be fair, Cox Mobile can make sense if you already use Cox for internet. Bundling services can simplify your bills and potentially improve the overall value. What it does well: potentially lower costs. Cox Mobile plans can be competitive compared with traditional major carrier pricing. Uses major cellular networks. Cox doesn't need to build a nationwide cellular network from scratch, which allows it to provide broader coverage. Where the hype falls apart, coverage depends on location. Even when a provider uses a major network, your actual experience depends on local coverage and network performance. Not necessarily cheaper for everyone. Once you add additional lines, taxes, device payments, or other costs, the savings may not be as dramatic as the headline price suggests. Less established than the biggest carriers. Cox Mobile doesn't have the same long-standing nationwide mobile presence as Verizon, AT&T, or T-Mobile. So, is Cox Mobile better than the big telcos? Short answer: it depends. If you're already a Cox Internet customer and Cox Mobile offers competitive pricing with good coverage in your area, it could be a smart option. But if mobile coverage and nationwide network performance are your top priorities, the major carriers may still have the advantage. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.